2024 में अभी 6 महीने ही और बचे हुए हैं एंड अगर अब तक आपने अपनी लाइफ में कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस नहीं किए हैं, अपनी लाइफ को फॉर द बेटर नहीं चेंज किया है, देन दिस इज द टाइम टू लेवल अप। अभी भी 6 महीने का वक्त है। यू कैन यूज दैट टाइम टू लेवल अप इन योर लाइफ। In today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 areas of your life that you need to work on to make your life better. And those are health, wealth and relationships. पहले शुरू करेंगे हम हेल्थ से। हेल्थ में हम काउंट करेंगे फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ। अभी फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए तो हर कोई बोलता है कि एक्सरसाइज करो, वर्कआउट करो, जिम जाओ, eat healthy and all of that kind of stuff. But I feel more than the physical health, you need to manage your mental and emotional health as well. And how do you do that? You do that by doing meditation. You can do that by doing journaling. You can try going to therapy. For me, going to therapy has been the best thing that I have ever done for myself in my life. I never knew that I had ADHD, but I always felt like something was wrong in my life. And what going to therapy did was it finally got me the diagnosis of ADHD and OCD. So now that I know what causes the issues in my life, I can finally work on the things. I can take medications. I am doing the things that my therapist is telling me to do in order to maintain my life and manage my life in a way that I'm able to cope now as a normal functioning adult. One more thing that is weird, but you can try, which I have found very useful for my mental health, is listening to inspiring podcasts or YouTube videos. Nothing has gotten me out of a funk better than a good podcast or a YouTube video. Hamesha, at any point of time, if I am feeling down, if I'm feeling demotivated, a good YouTube video or a podcast has always helped me get out of the funk, and it has been so good for my mental health. मेंटल हेल्थ हो गया। अब बात करते हैं फिजिकल हेल्थ की। फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए क्या करना है क्या नहीं, दैट इज वेरी ऑब्वियस। यू हैव टू ईट हेल्दी, यू हैव टू स्लीप फॉर 7 to 8 hours अ नाइट। अगर नहीं हो पा रही है तो ट्राई करो listening to audiobooks and stuff. I find listening to audiobooks helps me sleep, so you can try that. Then you need to exercise. You try finding whatever stuff you like to do, be it a cardio workout, be it a HIIT workout, be it yoga, Pilates, or if you don't like exercising at all you can do is just play some music and dance to it. Even that counts as an exercise. So move your body. The ultimate goal is to move your body. Next area of life that we need to work on is wealth. Nobody can deny that money plays an important part in your life. अगर पैसा नहीं है तो there is a lot of stuff that you cannot do in your life. You can try saying like money doesn't matter to me, but if you are being realistic, then money does matter in your life. If you have money, it opens so many opportunities. It helps you buy back your time that you can invest in yourself. But how exactly can you make wealth? First thing is, you might have a job or anything that you do. I am a social media manager, so I have that as my main income source. Second thing you can try to do is create an emergency fund. इतना पैसा जमा करो जो आपके 3 या 6 महीने का टोटल खर्चा जितना होता है एक महीने में, दैट यू कंपाइल एंड सेव फॉर 6 months टाइम। अगर आपके पास 6 महीने कोई पैसे नहीं भी आ रहे हैं तो आपकी लाइफ इजीली चलनी चाहिए वो 6 महीने में उस सेविंग्स के ऊपर। एंड द थर्ड थिंग you can do is try investing. Investing can feel very scary. It used to feel scary to me as well, because being a middle class person, stocks के अराउंड हम लोगों ने बस यही सुना होता है कि स्टॉक्स में पैसे डालेंगे तो पैसे डूब जाएंगे, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। Now there is so much technology that you can make smart investments. अभी ग्रो जैसे apps है which have making investing in stocks so much easier. You can invest in mutual funds, you can invest in stocks. और अगर कुछ भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है तो there is a app called Small Case. Because I'm a new YouTuber, this is not at all sponsored by anyone, but Small Case करके जो app आता है, वो app has already groups of stocks that you can invest in. उसमें लो इन्वेस्टमेंट से लेके हाई इन्वेस्टमेंट भी है, तो you can invest 500 rupees or you can choose to invest 50,000. You just have to buy that small case and उसके अंदर जितने भी stocks added होंगे वो automatically आपके डीमैट अकाउंट में ऐड हो जाएंगे। इट साउंड्स अ लॉट ट्रिकी, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट अ फ्यू क्लिक्स। and it gets the job done. So I find small case and grow to be really good for investment opportunities. And the best thing you can do to improve and increase your wealth is to create sources of income. अगर आपकी एक income source है, try increasing it, try finding different ways or different sources of income. Currently, I as a social media manager am working on creating a passive income source by creating a digital product. तो मेरे social media management के earnings के अलावा मेरे पास एक और income का source हो जाएगा. तो think what you can use to create a different income source. If you learn a skill, monetize it. If you don't know how to do anything, you must be good at something, create a YouTube channel for it. It's one of the best ways to monetize your skills. अगर कुछ नहीं आता है तो कोई skill develop करो. Start a side hustle. Side hustles are the big thing in 2024 and going forward, because jobs alone are not enough to satisfy the monetary needs in India at least. And the third thing that हम सब ignore करते हैं is relationships. And you would think that when I'm talking about relationships, I mean relationship with your spouse or your partner or your family. I am talking about all of those, but सबसे important है relationship with yourself. Indulge in self-care. Spend time with yourself. Be alone for a while. Give time for yourself. Relax. Fall in love with yourself. No matter how you are. We fall into the habit of negative talking. हम हमारे ही बारे में इतना बुरा सोचते हैं जैसा कोई और भी नहीं सोच रहा होगा. तो stop doing that and अपने बारे में अच्छी चीजें सोचना चालू करो. This will increase your confidence. This will increase your self-esteem also. And make time for your friends. I know friends के साथ time spend करना थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है as you grow up, but be intentional. तय करो कि मुझे 1 महीने 2 महीने में अपनी ये friend को मिलना है तो मिलना है. I am going to take time out for myself and my friends. Friends give you so much positive energy if you have the right friends. Hang out with good people. Hang out with people who inspire you, because I've heard somewhere that you are the average of the 5 people you are surrounded with. So try to surround yourself with the best of people you can find, and you'll find yourself leveling up in life also. Remove any negative person in your life, be it family, be it friends, be it any colleague. Just cut them out of your life because they are not serving any purpose in your life except bringing bad energy to you. Replace them with good people. If you work on these 3 areas of your life, health, wealth and relationships, then you will find कि आपकी life automatically पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा सुधर जाएगी. You will have better health, की income में increase हो जाएगा. You will have better friends. You will have a good connection with your family members because you spend time with them. And आपकी खुद की self esteem, self worth, confidence भी बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा, जिससे आपकी life की quality बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी. So take this as a sign. If you see this video, I already know that you are very conscious about making your life better. ये वीडियो पे क्लिक करने से इतना पता चल जाता है that you want your life to be better. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try answering them.